Hey folks, Jason Wilmot here, founder of Hacktics Growth Marketing, and in this video what we're going to do is we're going to dive into GoHighLevel, and I'm going to show you a lead alert that gives your clients a lot of information and just simplifies the process for them to consume the information. So let me dive behind my computer and then I'll show you what to do. So one of the things that I like to do inside of GoHighLevel is to deliver not just a lead alert to our clients, but a lead alert with all of the information there in the email. Then on top of that, what I want to do is give them the ability to learn more or to view all of the contact details, I guess, by sending them directly back into the CRM. So what I've done in this video is I've crafted sort of a letter or an email concerning different inputs that a lead put into the form, and I want to send those to our client. Then on top of that, what I want to do is create a button and give them the ability to go then view all of the full contact details inside of the CRM if they want to have the conversation or follow up there. And then on top of that, what I wanted to do is just use this as a template over and over and over again. So when I show you the HTML code that I get into later, what I want to do is be able to figure out, like, is there a way that I can just do this for everyone? Do I have to go in and create this unique URL for every single client? The answer is no, because I'm going to show you this trick that hopefully gives you everything that you need. Okay, so in this workflow, what I want to do is send our client a lead notification about and include all of the details inside of that lead notification for the client. So they are in the contracting space, and what I want to do is give him the ability to have all of the information right there so that he can, hop on a phone call. Because everybody in that field knows speed to lead. What I also want to do is give him the ability to send or to log into the his GoHighLevel account from that email as well, because that's going to allow him to have the conversation from the GoHighLevel platform if that's where he desires to do it. So what I have here is I have a lot of different triggers that are going to trigger this notification. Somebody gets added to an email drip, and there's a lot of elements that are involved in this as well, but I'm just going to show you the email that I want to send him. So I want to send him I want to send him a few things, I should say. What I want to send him are all of the lead details in this email. So here's the contact summary for contact first name. So this is the full name, and if you don't know where to grab these, I just simply go into the custom values, and then we go into the contact. That would be contact full name. The contact is a person who filled out the lead form. The user in this case would be sent to Jeff, the owner, and the client, I should say. So I can do the same thing for phone number. I can do the same thing for email. I can do the same thing for an address. I want to give them all of the information that I can. Now, again, this is a contractor. They're in the contracting space. So part of this form includes an estimate type. What are they looking for? If there's any additional information, if this is an insurance claim. And because I like to pipe through data, I'm also sending where this lead came from, because that's going to inform our better marketing efforts for this person, because we run their ads for them as well. And we're just being totally transparent. Did it come from Facebook? Did it come from Instagram? Did it come from Google? I'm going to pipe those UTMs through, because that gives me a better understanding of where to direct the ad spend, but also him, so that he knows where the leads are coming from as well. Then what I wanted to do is I wanted to have a button, and this is where I started running into problems as far as creating multiple sub-accounts. I didn't want to have to go in, and I'm going to show you this HTML here in a second, but the way that I built it, it wasn't, I had to go in and actually update the location ID. The location ID is the URL that the client logs into, and I didn't want to do that for each single client that we have in this vertical. So what I decided to do is get fancy with another custom tag, and that is this one right here. It's under account, and it is ID. And so location ID is basically when you have, I'll just show you the code now because I think this probably makes a little more sense. When you have your GoHighLevel account and you send somebody into them, this is your app subdomain or wherever you're white labeling this. Then inside of your locations, this is the unique sub-account URL that somebody logs into. And so if I wanted to clone this workflow and use it over and over and over, I couldn't do that because I'd have to manually go in and do this. And so I figured, why not just grab this location ID? I'm not sure if I copied it or not. We'll give it a shot. So I have the /. There we go. I grabbed the location ID because now I don't have to clone any of this. Now, obviously, this URL is not the URL that I have. It's something that you would have to update. But now, the nice thing is I can clone this and I can save it as a snapshot and I can use it over and over and over again, and I don't have to go in and do any manual work. So if you want to use this, a button like this, I'm going to leave the code inside of a Google Doc or something like that I'll link to underneath the video so you can check it out there. But if you want to update the colors in here, then you can definitely do that. Let's go 0033BB. I don't even know if that's a color. Let's save. So yeah, I don't like that. That would be terrible. Updated the font. So there's 3 colors in here: the font, the background, and the border. So feel free to update those. What I'm going to do though is, let's see. I want to delete this. Yeah, but what I want to show you one more time is the button. So if you have, so here's your button. If you have a sub account or excuse me, not a sub account, this would be where your GoHighLevel white labeled URL would go. Then you would update this location, and then I would say customize whatever your colors are going to be, and then you're good to go. So surprise and delight your clients. I think that's the best way to retain them, is continue to give them value. This was built basically through a back and forth of, hey, what do you want in this email? And we gave him everything that he wanted, just enough information for him to have that speed to lead process. But then after that, what we wanted to do is be thinking internally as an agency, how can we scale this? How can we scale our output? How can we make our workflows work basically on as many custom fields and as many custom values as possible? And this is sort of what we came up with. Like I said, if you are interested in grabbing this code, I'll throw it into a Google Doc. You can just grab that below. If you're interested in signing up for GoHighLevel and you want a free trial, go ahead and click on the affiliate link. It is probably also in the description. Or if you're interested in working with us as an agency, we like to build in GoHighLevel, and we're pretty good at it. So all that you have to do is go to Hacktics.com and you can reach out to us there and set a meeting, and then we can continue the conversation from there. So thanks again, guys. My name is Jason Wilmot, and this is how to surprise and delight your clients using GoHighLevel lead alerts, and I think give them a lot of value and give them that upper hand to closing that deal. All right, thanks, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.